Hi dear students. So let's see this question that came in KVPY 2021 essay physics paper. It's a very standard question. Almost every student who has prepared for JEE Advanced knows the result of this. So in this what is happening is basically we have a plane mirror and there is an incident ray. Let us say like this. This is the normal to the mirror. So this is the reflected ray. Okay. This is the initial situation. Now what we are doing is that we are rotating the mirror by an angle delta. So we have to find the angle between the new reflected ray and the old reflected ray. The old incident ray is kept along the same orientation. So this is the old incident ray, which is I1. This is the old normal, which is N1, and this is the old reflected ray, which is R1. Now, if you rotate the mirror by an angle delta in any direction, let us say clockwise or anti-clockwise, it would hardly matter. Let us say we rotate clockwise. So, if you rotate this mirror, let's say in the clockwise direction by an angle delta, so we can clearly see that normal will also rotate. This will be the new normal, which will rotate by an angle delta. So, this angle will be delta, correct? Now, if you see, so the angle between the old incident ray, which is also the new incident ray, because the incident ray has not changed. So, angle between the old incident ray and the normal has increased by delta. Therefore, we can say that angle between the reflected ray and normal should also increase by the angle delta, correct? So, that means if this angle was initially alpha, right? So, what is the new angle between incident ray and normal, which is N2? Alpha plus delta. So the new reflected ray will make an angle of alpha plus delta from N2. So that means this will be the new reflected ray, and this angle, my dear friends, will be alpha plus delta. Correct? Now it is easy to see. So we have to find the angle between R1 and R2, which is easy to see that this angle will be 2 delta. Why it will be 2 delta? Very easy. Just look at the angle between I1 and R1. I1, which is this, and R1, which is this. That is 2 alpha, right? Because this is alpha. So this must have been alpha, right? That is 2 alpha. And what is the angle between I1 and R2? So that is twice of alpha plus delta, right? Like this. So the angle between R1 and R2 will be angle R1 and R2 will be this will be 2 delta. By the way, this is a standard result that if mirror rotates by an angle delta, then the reflected ray rotates by an angle twice delta in the same sense. So this is the answer. 2 delta will be the answer. It's a very standard like result which almost everybody keeps in his or her memory. Thank you.